Hi everyone, welcome to Campkin.com. This is the online video walkthrough live from the RV show of the Wolfpack 27PACK10. This is a brand new floor plan. This is actually the first model of this in Canada. We want you guys to be the first to see it. So let's head inside. You can see from the outside, 27-foot box, just like a 27-foot bunkhouse really on the outside. You've got these great stable steps coming into the trailer. And we're gonna go to the front first. So in the front of the trailer here, you can see we have a bedroom with a king bed in it, as well as lots of storage all the way around the bed, and a spot for a TV for mom and dad as well, and lots of room at the end of the bed as well. And then in the kitchen area, we've got tons of countertop space. You've got a pull-out faucet. You've got a deep farmhouse-style sink, glass top stove, lots of drawers, lots of storage. Really, really great, just like a traditional trailer. You've got a 10.5 cubic foot fridge, so room for all the food. Great spot for a TV right over a fireplace. And then actually over here, you have a full walk-in pantry in a toy hauler. So you have a full walk-in pantry, place to hang your coats, put your boots. Now here we see on the other side of the trailer, we've got a very deep, 36-inch deep slide-out with massive, huge windows. Lots of light gets into this trailer. Then you've got a nice deep dinette with deep drawers underneath it that you can store all your stuff in. You've got a flip-down sofa here, great comfortable place to sit, and quite a large washroom with a great place to hang all your towels, a good-sized vanity, and a full-size shower inside. Now you can see here in the back that there is a toy hauler spot. In this toy hauler spot you have 12 tie downs. This is great for a quad, it's great for 2 dirt bikes. You can put a full-size motorcycle in here, you can put kayaks in here, you can put bikes in here. You can put whatever you want in this area. But then once you arrive, you can see up here we have bunk beds. So these bunk beds will go down. We have the first one locked up, but then this turns into your bunk area, so that you can use these bunk beds for the kids. And this toy hauler virtually turns into a double over double bunk model. Then out the back of this toy hauler, you can see that we have the deck, which is the ramp and is totally enclosed. And then you have a spot here to hang a television so that you can sit out here at night, watch TV, and just enjoy the outdoors. So folks, this is just a great opportunity to get a multi-purpose trailer that does everything for your family. This is the 27PACK10 Wolfpack, available now at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to myrtle, so come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come